Hello, Wolves. This is Grade 5 Math, Chapter 1.3, Comparing Numbers to 10 Million. Our objectives in Chapter 1.3 are to compare and order numbers to 10 million, to identify and complete a number pattern, and to find a rule for a number pattern. Let's begin. We're going to start by using a place value chart to compare two numbers. The question is, which number is less, 237,981 or 500,600? Let's insert a place value chart. And now let's populate the place value chart to represent each number. The top place value chart will be used for 237,908C1. And the bottom will be used for 500,600. All right, now we can use these to make our comparison. So beginning on the left-hand side, we're going to read left to right, just like we would a book. We'll begin at the left with our 100,000 columns. We can automatically see right away that 2 is less than 5. So we can actually stop there. It's very clear from our first comparison that our second digit, 500,600, is greater than 237,981. The place value charts make it very easy to visualize how one number is larger than the other. Let's try with larger numbers. Which number is less, 3,506,017 or 5,306,007? Once again, let's insert our place value charts to help us visualize the difference between these two numbers. And let's quickly fill in our place value charts. Let's see, this number is 3,506,017. And the next number is 306,000, and 7. All right, so we have 3,506,017 and 5,306,007. Once again, we begin at the left and work our way to the right, comparing our numbers as we go. Once again, our very first number differs, so we can immediately see that the 5 is of a greater value than the 3. So 3,506,017 is less than 5,306,007. The lesser number is 3,506,017. Let's try one more example together before I send you off to try a couple on your own. Using this place value chart, let's compare these two numbers. Which is greater, 712,935 or 712,846? All right, in our 100,000s place, our digits match. So we have to keep going. They also match in the 10,000s and the thousands. All right, well, they're all identical up to this point. Now we come to the hundreds place, and we can see that one value is 9 and the other is 8. We know that 9 is greater than 8, so that must be the larger number. Coming down here then, we'll fill in that 9 hundreds is greater than 8 hundreds. Therefore, 712,935 is greater than 712,846. So that will be our final answer. All right, now you try on your own. Please complete problems 2 through 6 on this screen in your homework notebook. Press pause. I'll be back when you're finished. Let's move on to the next concept in this chapter. Now we're going to find rules to complete number patterns. So here's our first pattern that we'll begin with. It starts with number 231,000 590. The next number is 331,590. It's followed by 431,590. The next number in the pattern is 531,590. So to get to the next number in the pattern, we need to add 100,000 to the previous number. You can see that we moved from 231,000 to 331,000 by adding 100,000. 200,000 to 300,000. We also added 100,000 to move from 331,000 to 431,000. And we added 100,000 to move to 531,590 from 431,590. So the next number in the pattern, if we add 100,000, is 631,590. So the rule for this pattern is plus 100. Because to proceed through the pattern, we added 100 to each digit. Here's our next pattern. Let's see if we can determine the rule. Our first number is 755,482. Next is 705,482. Next, 655,482, followed by 605,482, and finally 555,482. What is the rule, and what will be the last number in the pattern? What do you notice changes from number to number? Each number decreases by 50,000. If we subtract 50,000 from 755,482, we get 705,482. Subtract 50,000 again, and we get 655,482, and so on throughout the pattern that we can see here. So what do we get if we subtract 50,000 from 555,458? Well, we get an answer of 505,482. So our rule is subtract 50,000, and our final number in the pattern is 505,482. Let's do number 9 together to examine another pattern. The numbers in our pattern are 1,345,024, 3,345,024, and 5,345,024. Our first question asks us to compare 3,345,024 is how much more than 1,345,024. Well, our place values match for ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s, but they're too different in the millions. So our answer here is 2 million. 3,345,024 is 2 million greater than 1,345,024. 5,345,024 is also 2 million greater than 3,345,024. 2 million more than 5,745,024 would be 7,345,024. Now you try number 10 on your own. Write your answer in your homework notebook. Here are your final 2 practice problems for the night. Please examine these 2 series of numbers, find the rule, and complete the number pattern. Have a great night, and I'll see you at school tomorrow to talk about patterns and comparing large numbers.